We are Humtown Products. We're a manufacturing team that serves the metal casting industry. We are in 2 locations right now. In Columbiana, we still do tooling-based manufacturing of sand molds and sand cores to produce metal castings for the metal casting industry. More currently, we are actually at our facility in Lamoncha, where we can produce up to at least 2 railroad cars a month of commercialized 3D sand printing castings for the metal casting industry. My father started the company as Humtown Pattern Company. It was a pattern making shop for the metal casting industry, and then Russell, my father, asked if I wanted to buy in and start making sand cores. And in doing that, you start to work more in your business than on your business. And our accounting firm, the one senior partner, said, Mark, one of you needs to really start to work on it, not just in it. So as my sons became more involved in the business, we actually started to both look outwardly and how we could connect. I used to be about what we made, which is sand cores and molds. Then it's really about how we make it, but it's really about the why inside of each team member that I serve on this team, that is ultimately serving the metal casting industry and the customers that we work for each day. Moving more away from, managing bosses and supervising to coaching and team members and coaching them to be the best version of themselves and find which position on the team that they're really interested in. Because when people are more interested, they're more engaged, they're more inspired, and they at that point are enjoying what they do. What I've found I really love to do is to fly and guide and coach the Humtown team. And people that just have a job that aren't interested really just show up every day, but people that really care have a career.